I think South Africa has the best weather and the best beaches, the best everything.
Good morning, my friends. Buckle up because we are rolling into a city that refuses to be ordinary. Welcome to Durban. This is a city built to impress. World class hotels and the giant icon of the East Coast, Moses Mabhida Stadium, standing bold with an arch you can spot from miles away. Durban doesn't whisper, Durban announces itself. Just up the road rises one of Africa's finest gateways, named after a warrior, King Shaka International Airport. Cape Town and Johannesburg may dominate the spotlight, but Durban does not compete. Durban glows. It offers something they cannot offer. All year perfect weather and an ocean that stays warm no matter the season. Now let's talk about the roads, because South Africa's road network is ranked amongst the best in the world. And Durban is not shy about proving that. As I cruise down the mighty N2, South Africa's longest national road, I'm surrounded by pure magic. Endless green hills, sugarcane fields, pine trees. This this is the part of South Africa that takes your breath away without even trying. The N2 hugs the coastline from here all the way to Cape Town. A smooth, powerful road connecting cities, trade, and dreams. So let me take you into one of South Africa's best kept secrets. A city you may have skipped, ignored, or underestimated. But once you see it, you'll never forget it. Durban's roads, world class. Its interchanges, engineering flexes. The whole drive, a reminder that South Africa is not just functioning, it is thriving. South Africa is alive. South Africa is stunning. And Durban is the proof flashed in colors. Here you can swim any day of the year. The Indian Ocean doesn't know what cold means.
The sun is way up already. The beaches are beautiful, clean. I think South Africa has the best weather and the best beaches, the best everything. We are so blessed to have all this. What a beautiful place.
The Golden Mile is not just a beach, it's a paradise dropped onto the coastline. These roads, these cities, these landscapes, This is the Africa they don't show you. And it's time they see it. State-of-the-art roads, intersections crafted with precision that only world-class engineering can achieve. This joyride into Durban is more than just a drive. It's a celebration of a nation alive, thriving and shining. Because South Africa is alive. South Africa is gorgeous. And in Durban, you feel it every kilometer. Durban shines because it has the one thing money can't buy: hospitality with soul, hotels with views that freeze your breath, and the atmosphere that hugs you the moment you arrive. I dare you. Visit Durban, experience it, feel it, live it. This city will change you. A city you might have overlooked or never imagined could exist in Africa in this level of beauty, design, and atmosphere. This is Durban. This is a place of luxury hotels and modern architecture. Hospitality in paradise. Hotels of exceptional quality. Views that stops your breath. A coastline that hugs your soul. I dare you. Visit this city, this world, this moment of beauty, and enjoy every second of your life here. As I say goodbye to the warm golden heart of Durban, I make my way to one of Africa's finest air gateways, King Shaka International Airport. A state-of-the-art masterpiece with a name that echoes power, history, and pride. This is Durban. This is South Africa. And this is Africa, alive and magnificent.
Any bags check-in?
No,
Your boarding will start at 10 past 2 through gate A1.
thank you. And this is just the beginning. If you enjoyed the ride, hit that like button, subscribe, and join me on the next journey across this beautiful continent. Until then, travel safe, stay curious, and keep exploring.